Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you how to provide the authentication or a permission to the particular person to access their database. Okay. First of all, I want to connect the admin account is your Oracle or a SQL account, that is type connect here to connect the SQL command. To connect the SQL software, type connect here. So here the main admin is system and its password is Vedant. Okay. Now admin is logged on to his system. Now this admin name, username is system and his password is invisible. Okay. It is actually typed but it is invisible. So password is Vedant. Username is a system. So he is a main admin here. Now admin created a one table. Let's see how to display that table. Select star from employee. He is created a one table, that is employee table. It contains the multiple columns, that is the employee IDs, employee names, employee salary and the employee country. He belongs to which country. Now this employee is giving a permission to the particular person who can make some changes or he can access this table. So this table owner is system. System means what? He is a admin here. So admin is having all the authorities to perform all the actions. So admin only, he can having authority to create the table, he can display the table, he can remove the table, or he can drop and truncate, he can insert, delete the data from this table because he is a admin, he is a creator of this table. Now, a new user or a one employee, her name is Kavita. Assume that the employee name is Kavita. So this admin providing the authentication or he is providing a permission to the Kavita. She can also create the table and also she can also insert, delete the data from this table. So first this system means this software, admin is system. So this system first need to create this user. Username is Kavita. Let's see how to create a first user. Create user, username is Kavita. So this Kavita is identified by Vedant. So what is here Vedant? Vedant is password. So username is Kavita. Similarly, here username is system, no? So this username she should be enter, that is a Kavita, and the password is she also enter the Vedant. So for this system only, the Kavita also login by the username Kavita and her password is Vedant. Okay. So password is same to the every user. Okay. So this system is this system admin. He's creating a one user. Her name is Kavita and this Kavita is identified by the Vedant password. Okay. Now enter. Press enter. The user is created. Output will displayed here. Now the system means the admin system created a one user. Her name is Kavita, means username is Kavita and her password is Vedant. Now after creating a one user, compulsory you need to be permit or you need to be give a first permission, that is a create. Then only she can log into the system. Okay. First we need to give some permission to her, that is grant create. Means the user is created means what? She is enabled to create the tables. Okay, after the creating the user, first you need to grant. Grant means what? Giving a permission to the Kavita, that is a create table permission. So grant the create section to whom? To Kavita. Okay. After the creating the user here, first you need to be, after the creating the user, you need to be grant the permission, that is a create. Okay, grant means giving a permission to the Kavita, that is creating a table. Okay, so grant create session. So granting a create session to the Kavita. So this is also grant succeed. After that, type connect here means Kavita is going to connect. What is her name? Means he's created a user, that is a Kavita. No, she need to be enter her username Kavita and identified by Vedant. Vedant is a password here. Enter the Vedant here. That is invisible. Now she is connected. Okay. The main admin, whenever you connect to the Oracle or whenever you connect to the SQL, the admin name is system and his password is Vedant. He is created one table. He is having authority, that is display the table, insert the values into the table, delete the value and etc. So this system only created a one user. That username is Kavita, means this username is Kavita and her password is Vedant. So this system is created a one user. So user is successfully created. After the creating a user, first you should be grant a permission, that is a create permission. So after that, she can type once again connect because the Kavita is joining or a logging. She wants to log into the this SQL command. So enter your username. She enter the Kavita because system created a username is Kavita for her. Her username is Kavita and password is Vedant. Identified by Vedant. So that is connected. Now she can create the tables and etc. Only the system is created a Kavita and only provided a create permission. But she never having a select means displaying the table means she is not having authority to insert, delete, display the values from this table because this table is created by the system. Only system is having authority. Till now the system is not provided any permission to the Kavita, that is insert, delete, update. Permission never given to the Kavita. Okay, now let's see. If the permission is not given also, the Kavita is trying to insert a values or a delete a values or a select or a displaying the table, that is a employee. Okay. Select star from table employee table. This employee table is in which account? The system's account. No. So type system dot employee. Okay. Kavita is logged into the software and enter the password. She is connected to the software. But she is displaying the employee table. That employee table is reside in a system account. Okay. She enter. Okay. Showing a error that the table or view does not exist because she is not having authority to display the system's data, display the display the systems table and delete the systems table and insert the systems table. So just the system is created the Kavita user and provided a password. But what we need to do? Here system should permit her to insert, delete and select the data from this table. Okay. So go back to the systems account by typing connect and enter the username, that is system, that is admin. Admin is need to be give a permission. No, first you need to be log into the admin account. System and a password is Vedant. So he is logged on to the computer or a his system. Okay, now he is granting a means he is providing a permission, that is a grant, is select as well as a insert and a delete operation on which table? The table name is employee. To whom? To Kavita. Okay. Type like this means providing a permission to the Kavita. What kind of a permission? Selection means displaying the table and inserting the values into the table and deleting the values from the table. This table admin is system. So system logged on to his software, his account. He is permitting, he grant the permission, that is select, insert, delete on which table? Employee table. To whom? Kavita. So press enter here. So grant succeed means the system account means system means this is admin. is provided a permission to Kavita. What kind of a permission? Select, insert, delete. On which table? Employee table. If you want to if you want to give a permission on multiple table, you can also here. Okay, press comma here and enter the another table here. So here system is admin is provided a permission. Now log down to the Kavita because Kavita wants to insert or select the data. So first she should be enter to or she should be log on to his or her account. Okay, type connect here. Her username is Kavita and her password is Vedant. Okay, now she is connected. She logged on. Now try, she is displaying. Select star from which table? From employee table. That employee table belongs to which admin or a which account? That is a system. System accounts employee table. She is displaying the meaning of this one. Select star from employee. Okay. Select star from employee. Means systems tables employee. She is displaying the system accounts employee table. Now let's check what will showing output. Okay, what's that? Select. Spelling is wrong here. SELECT. Select star from systems employee table. Now, as you can see here, the user Kavita is logged into the account, her own account, and enter the password. Now, she is displaying the system accounts employee table. Actually, this employee table belongs to the system account. It is also displaying because the system is provided a permission, that is select, insert, delete the table in this table. To whom? Kavita. So she displayed. Now she wants to insert some value to this table. Similarly, insert into which table? Systems employee table. Values. She is inserting the values, no? What is employee ID? First employee ID, that is 16, enter the 16 here. Then another one, name, employee name is Soumya and employee salary is 5,000. Then employee country is India. She is inserting. Okay, actually the Kavita herself is an employee. The system is provided a permission that the admin is provided a permission to that employee that she can display, she can insert and she can delete the values from this table. Okay, so that's why she is inserting. Insert into system employee values. Let's see. Yes, one row is created. She is inserted a value. Let's check once again. Select star from systems employee table. Sorry. Select star from system employee. Employee table name is wrong here. Employee. As you can see, she inserted the row into this table. Okay. Let's check with the admin's account the table or this row is inserted or not. So connect to the admin account. Admin's username is system and admin's password also Vedant. Okay, he's connected. Next, display the table, that is select star from employee. Employee's table name. As you can see here, the Kavita, he's created a user and the admin provided the permission, that is create, display and insert the values into this table. The employee means the system provided a permission. So the Kavita is logged on to her account and inserted a one value. So in this system's account, that is also updated. Let's check. Then connect to once again the Kavita's account. Username is Kavita and her password is Vedant. Okay. The admin actually provided a selection, insertion and deletion operation. Permission, no? So she displayed also. Now she is inserted also, displayed also. So now she is deleting. Okay. Delete from system dot employee where id is equals to 12. Now the Kavita is deleting from the systems accounts employee table. Delete means what? Deleting a row. Deleting a row from the systems accounts means admins accounts employee table, which tuple or which row where id is equals to 12 means this row she is going to delete from which account, that is a system account, because system is providing the permission to her to delete the rows from the table, so she is deleting. Invalid identifier. Okay, employee id, actually column name is employee id. I enter the id here first, emp underscore id. Integrity constraint. Okay. Okay. Now she now, as you can see, she's deleted one row from this table. Okay. Now, he means the admin. Admin's account, that is admin's username is system and his password is Vedant. Once again, he want to revoke, means he want to take a permission back from the Kavita. Okay, that's why the another one command is there, that is revoke command. Revoke command means taking a permission return. That is called as a revoke here. Okay, now go to the admin account here, because admin only retake the permission, no, connect to the admin's account, that is admin's username is system and his password is Vedant. He only permitted her to display, delete and insert the values. Now he is taking permission repeat from her. Okay. Now how to revoke the permission from her? By using a revoke command. Okay. Now type revoke. Sorry, where is that? Type revoke means taking back, permission taking back. So what kind of a permission they are provided? That is a select means displaying the table, deleting the table and inserting. So first we need to revoke the permissions, that is insert and delete permission. On which table on which table the system provided? On the employee table he is provided the permission. From whom you are revoking? From the Kavita. Revoking means taking back. Revoke means taking back. What permission he is taking back? Insertion and deletion permission. Already he is provided this permission. Now he is revoking means taking back the permission insert delete. On which table he is provided the permission? On the employee table. Okay, from the Kavita. So he is taking a permission from the Kavita. Okay, he's provided some insertion deletion operation on the employee table. He's taking back. Enter. Revoke, succeed. Now let's see. Log on to the Kavita account once again, and she's trying to and enter her username, that is Kavita, and her password is Vedant. She is trying to insert and delete the values into the employee table, but it is not execute, because the system means admin revoke the insert and delete operation permission from the Kavita. Now she is trying to insert and delete the values into this table. Let's see what will happen. Insert into systems employee values. Okay, first one is the ID, no? ID, that is 16. The name of that employee is Sauma and her um, salary is 5,000 and she from India. Okay. Now, as you can see here, insert into the missing select keyword. Insert into system values. I enter the value here. Of course, you are inserting a multiple values here, no? Table contains multiple values. So that's why the keyword is values. Now enter. Insufficient privileges means what? This privilege is insufficient. Means this privilege means this Kavita is not having this privilege. Privilege means this kind of a permission she's not having, because the admin revoked these permissions. Now she cannot insert the values into the table. Now she is deleting the values from the table. It is also not work because the system revoked the delete operation, delete permission. Delete from which table? Systems employee table. Okay, where ID is equals to 16 or ID is equals to 15. Actually, it will not work. Delete from system dot employee where ID equal to 15. As you can see, invalid identifier. Okay, invalid identifier means the column name is emp underscore id. I enter the column name id here. As you can see, insufficient privileges because revoke or a taking return. The admin took permission back from the Kavita, those permissions who he was granted. That is insertion and deletion permission. But still she is having a displaying permission. Okay, let's see it display or not. Select star from the systems employee table. Yes, of course, she is having that permission. But the insertion and deletion permissions are took return back by the admin system. Okay. Now, next, after that, once again connect to the system here. He want to revoke the display permission also. Okay, enter his admin's username, that is system, and his password is Vedant. Okay, he is revoking, that is um, select on employee from Kavita. Means revoke means taking back the select permission whatever given on the employee table from the Kavita. Press enter to revoke succeed. Means Kavita is not having the display as well as insertion deletion permission. Let's check the table is displaying or not from the Kavita account. Connect once again to her account. Enter her username, that is Kavita, and her password is Vedant. Okay, now she is connected to the account. Now she is trying to display the employee table. Select star from the systems employee table. Now as you can see, the error is showing that is a table or view does not exist. Means table is exist under the system, but she is not having a display permission. That is also revoked back by the system, means admin's account. Now connect to the admin account and enter the admin's username, that is system, and his password is Vedant. Okay. Now he want to delete this user. Okay. How to delete the user? Delete means drop. Drop the user. Username is Kavita. Okay. Press enter. The user is deleted or a user is dropped. Message will display here. Okay, the admin is having a permission to create the user and providing us some permission to the user, as well as revoking the permission from the user, and he also having a authority to delete or drop the user here. Now connect the Kavita's account. Now enter the Kavita's username, that is Kavita only, and her password is Vedant. Okay, the user is deleted, but she is trying to connect the account here. So enter invalid username and password, means a login denied, means this user is not existed. That user is deleted by the admin here. So these all are comes under the DCL commands. DCL commands contains the grant, revoke, okay, commands. By using these grant and revoke commands, you can give a permission to the particular person. Whatever permission you want to give, you can give, as well as you are the admin, you can also revoke or take a return back that permission from the particular user. I hope guys you understood this one. If you never understood or if you haven't any difficulties, let me know. Thank you guys.